In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to do SWOT analysis in FigJam. By the end, you'll know exactly how to set up a clear, collaborative SWOT board and use FigJam's AI to jumpstart your thinking so you can focus on strategy, not formatting. First, a quick refresher. A SWOT analysis helps you organize what's working and what needs attention. Strengths and weaknesses are internal, meaning they're within your control, things like skills, processes, resources, or brand reputation. Opportunities and threats are external, coming from the market or environment. Think trends, competitors, regulations, or technology shifts. Keeping this split in mind ensures your ideas land in the right place. Start by going to figma.com and logging into your account. Once you're in your dashboard, create a new FigJam file. FigJam is the whiteboard workspace inside Figma, and it's perfect for brainstorming and organizing ideas visually. Give your file a clear name so you can find it later. Now let's get the structure in place using FigJam's AI. Open the FigJam AI helper and type a prompt that clearly defines the 4 sections. For example, ask it to create a SWOT framework with labeled quadrants: strengths, internal; weaknesses, internal; opportunities, external; and threats, external. If you like, include a short description in your prompt so the AI understands your context, such as your industry or project. You can also ask for a handful of starter ideas under each heading to get momentum. The AI will generate a layout and initial content you can work with. Once the board appears, it's time to edit. Treat the AI output as a draft, not a final answer. Read each item and adjust wording so it fits your exact situation. Move notes to the correct quadrant if an idea is misplaced. For instance, an industry trend belongs under opportunities or threats, not strengths. Delete anything irrelevant, merge duplicates, and add your own insights as you go. Aim for concise, specific statements. Where possible, pair claims with quick evidence, like performance metrics or customer feedback, to keep the analysis grounded. You can refine the board visually to improve clarity. Use consistent colors for each quadrant, add short headers that define internal versus external, and group related notes so patterns stand out. If you identify big themes, summarize them in a sentence at the top of each section. Finally, highlight a few high-impact items you want to act on next so the SWOT naturally guides your planning. That's it, your FigJam SWOT is ready to support smarter decisions and clearer priorities.